So setup part is over. Now we're going to jump on coding directly. Okay. And let's start the Visual Studio Code. So you have to double click on this and it will start the editor. So let me minimize this. Now the very good feature of Visual Studio Code is it's very lightweight, and we have seen that what extensions we have to install. So the extension that we wanted to install is Java, right? So we have already installed Java extensions, which is this extension pack, not all of this, just this one from Microsoft itself. Okay. So we are going to install this. It will install 6 other packages. So that is done. Okay. No additional setting, no setting of JDK, nothing else. No setting of Maven, nothing else is required. Okay. So now we are good with the setup part. Now let's see how to create a project. So in order to create a project, you have to click on Explorer. And right here, you will see create a Java project. So either you can click on this, it will open up a window like this. Okay, let me bring it here. Okay, so it will open up a window like this after clicking on create project. Or what you can do is you can just press, let's say escape, press Control P and press greater than sign. Okay, so greater than sign will bring all the commands related to any of the extensions that you have installed. So the first extension or the first command that I see is create a Java project. So this is another way of creating a project. Now the second question that it is asking me is which build tool that you want to prefer. So I can prefer Maven, I can prefer Gradle, anything, right? So for now, let's go to Maven. Now it is asking which architecture type do you want to prefer. Now what is architecture type? For those who don't know what is architecture type, so basically there are certain templates you can say that are already available. Guys, if you're not intended to talk, you can mute yourself. I guess Nikhil, you're okay. All right. So architecture type, you can take it as the templates basically. So somebody has gone and created a basic template of different type of project. For example, if I want to create a web application, so there are basic things that are required to create a web application. So there need to be a index file, there need to be a UI file, backend file, API file, database file, right? Similarly, for the basic Selenium project, we are going to go with the template called as Maven architect type quick start. So we will click on this, and this is the version of the template. So there are different versions that they keep on updating. The latest version is 1.4. Now, after you select the template, which template you want to start with, then you can give the namespace or the package name or project name. So let's say online online training is my project name. So com.online training is the project name. Now, what is the main project or the start project that you want to name it as? So that's the base package. Now this is the actual project package. So let's say Java, let's say Java or intro, let's say introduction. Intro. So now the main package is com.online training, and the project that we are going to work on is intro. Okay. So the moment you hit enter, it will ask you at which location do you want to create this project. So let's go to desktop and let's go to code. I'll put my entire thing inside the code folder. So select the destination folder. Now it will create the entire project template for me. So right now it is getting the latest version of the template and trying to create the project. Now here it stops. It says define the value property version. So it is asking me, since you are creating a new code, what would you say the version of this code is? Okay. So for now we are skipping this and we are just pressing the enter. We will take a look at it later. So press enter, and then it is confirming whether these properties that you have given, are they correct? So you can say yes, they are correct. And then it will compile, run, not run, it will compile everything and save it. Now at the end, it is saying Maven project is created under this location. Do you want to open it? I'll say yes, open that project. So once it is open, as you can see, intro is my project. Under the project, there are two main sections. One is main and one is test. Main is the actual code or the logic that you will be writing. And the test is the test case that you will be writing. Okay. So this is the process of creating a project from scratch. So any question in creating the project?